Have you ever gazed up at the moon and wondered what's on the other side? For millennia, humanity has seen the same familiar face, the same craters and seas. But what about the far side? The side that perpetually turns away from us, shrouded in mystery. They call it the dark side, but that's a misnomer. It's not dark, it's just hidden. Today, we pulling back the cosmic curtain to explore what might be lurking on the hidden side of the moon, and why it has been a source of so much fascination and speculation. First, let's clear up a common misconception. The far side of the moon isn't eternally dark. It receives just as much sunlight as the near side. We just never see it from Earth. Because of a phenomenon called tidal locking, the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate it revolves around the Earth, meaning one face is always pointed toward us. It's like a dancer who keeps their face turned to the audience, no matter how they spin. This perfect cosmic choreography has kept half of the moon a complete enigma for most of human history. It wasn't until 1959 that we got our first glimpse. The Soviet Union's Luna 3 probe swung around the moon and sent back grainy, indistinct images. What they revealed was a world starkly different from the one we knew. The familiar large, dark plains, or Maria, that formed a man in the moon, were almost entirely absent. Instead, the far side was a heavily cratered, rugged, and ancient-looking landscape. It was a completely different world. Why the dramatic difference? Scientists believe the crust on the far side is much thicker, which prevented molten lava from erupting and forming the smooth Maria we see on the near side. It's a geologic puzzle that planetary scientists are still piecing together. This alien landscape immediately fueled speculation. With no direct line of sight to Earth, radio communication with the far side is blocked by the entire mass of the moon. This creates a zone of silence. For any mission on the far side, you need a relay satellite to bounce signals back to Earth. This natural radio silence makes the far side of the moon the most radio-quiet place in the inner solar system, an ideal location for radio astronomy. Shielded from the constant chatter of Earth's radio waves, imagine building a giant radio telescope there, listening for faint whispers from the distant universe, free from our planet's noisy interference. Of course, where there is mystery, there is conspiracy. The idea of a hidden side is just too tantalizing for some. Theories have swirled for decades about secret alien bases, ancient structures, or even entire civilizations thriving on the far side, hidden from our prying eyes. These ideas have been popularized in countless science fiction movies and books. The argument often goes, if there's nothing to hide, why don't we see more images? But the truth is, we do have images. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has been mapping the entire lunar surface, including the far side, in incredible detail since 2009. These images are publicly available online. You can go and explore the far side for yourself right now. What you'll find isn't alien cities, but a breathtakingly desolate and beautiful landscape, a testament to billions of years of cosmic history. The real secret isn't about what NASA is hiding, but about the incredible scientific potential that the far side holds. In 2019, China made history by landing the Chang'e 4 probe on the far side, the first time any nation had accomplished this feat. The mission, with its U-22 rover, has been exploring the South Polaitkin Basin, one of the largest and oldest impact craters in the solar system. By studying the rocks and soil there, scientists hope to learn about the moon's early history and even the composition of its mantle. This isn't a secret operation. It's a groundbreaking scientific endeavor that's rewriting our understanding of the moon. The Change 4 mission has already made fascinating discoveries. It found materials that appear to have originated from deep within the moon's mantle, blasted to the surface by the cataclysmic impact that formed the basin. Analyzing these materials is like getting a free sample of the moon's interior, a geological treasure trove. This is the kind of science that gets researchers genuinely excited. It's not about covering things up. It's about uncovering the fundamental truths of our solar system. The far side is a pristine laboratory, holding clues to the formation of rocky planets, including our own. So, what is NASA not telling us? The sensational answer is nothing. The real answer is far more interesting. They, along with space agencies from around the world, are in a race to unlock the scientific secrets that the far side holds. The focus isn't on hiding things, but on overcoming the immense technical challenges of exploring this remote region. How do you power a rover through a 2-week-long lunar night? How do you maintain communication? How do you land safely on rugged, uncharted territory? These are the real questions driving lunar exploration today. The future of farside exploration is incredibly exciting. There are plans for missions that will place radio telescopes. They're opening a new window to the cosmos. There's talk of using the vast, permanently shadowed craters at the poles as locations for bases, where water ice, another recent discovery, could be harvested to create rocket fuel and support human settlement. The far side isn't a place for hiding secrets. It's the next frontier for human discovery and expansion into the solar system. It represents a new chapter in our relationship with our closest celestial neighbor. The allure of the unknown is powerful, and it's easy to get swept up in tales of conspiracy and hidden truths. But the real story of the moon's far side is one of scientific wonder, human ingenuity, and the relentless quest for knowledge. The secret is that there's still so much we don't know, and the greatest adventures are the ones we undertake to find the answers. It's a story of exploration, not deception. The moon isn't hiding anything from us. It's waiting for us to come and discover its wonders. So, the next time you look at the moon, remember the other half, the rugged, cratered, and silent world that holds the keys to our cosmic past, and perhaps our interstellar future. It's a reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, there are still new worlds to explore. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the hidden side of the moon. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more cosmic mysteries with us, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. What do you think is the most exciting thing about the far side of the moon? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.